Hello, how are you? So today I got a box. I decided to buy some makeup. I've never tried any type of professional makeup. So I decided to start with e.l.f. It stands for eye, lip, face. So I'm going to open it. So it took me a billion years to open this. So I opened it off camera. This is everything in it. So I got a hydrating coconut mist. I pretty much got everything to try to do like a full face makeup type thing. So I'll just go down the list. So I got a baked eyeshadow, Enchanted. Eye enhancing black diamond mascara. HD lifting concealer light. Hopefully that's my color, but since it is a concealer, we can make it work. I got a bronzer palette, deep bronzer. Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette, and this is Island Breeze. Thought those would be some pretty fun colors. An Instant Lift brow pencil. And I got myself a triangular buffing brush. They sent me a small sample of Happy Hydration Cream. So that'll be nice. This is a hemp-derived cannabis sativa face cream. That might be very nice. So I am not going to try any of these things. I just wanted to show you guys what I received. So my next video, I probably will be using these items to do my full face of makeup. I don't know if it'll be a full face. I feel like you have to have a few more items. Like I didn't get any lipstick or anything like that, but we'll just do the regular with the whole chapstick thing. I don't really wear lipstick, but I do want to try this coconut hydrating. It's a hydrating coconut mist because coconut smells bomb. So I'm just going to try that really fast. Hold the bottle at several inches from the face and spray a light layer of mist over your makeup or bare skin with eyes closed. So my face is kind of shiny already. That's because I'm moisturized, but let's just try it. So let's get a few squirts going. Oh, that smells so wonderful. So whew. Ooh, ooh. Let's do the chest and listen. This stuff smells extremely good. Like very nice smell. And so it hydrates skin and refreshes makeup with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Vitamin C, really? Vitamin E. Very nice. Hopefully I said hyaluronic correctly. It doesn't matter. I tried. But yeah, I appreciate you watching. I was just so excited when this came today. So I wanted to share this with you guys. And these are the products once again. My next video, I will be using these products. So once again, I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. So I'm back. I said I wasn't going to show you any of the items, but I lied. Turns out these are really pretty palettes and they just need to be seen right now. So I will do this extremely fast. So this is the eyeshadow palette, the Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It has beautiful colors. This color is very different, but not so bad. See my wigs up there? So that's the bronzer palette. Really beautiful colors. This is the concealer, and I probably should show you like what it looks like. This is, I guess this is kind of like, it's a little bit lighter than my skin, so it won't be so bad to put under my eyes and to not see it at all. So back to this palette. I just wanted to see just how pigmented it was. Or it is. Pretty nice. Here's the green. Not so. That was the light brown or tan. This is the white. Very shimmery white. This is the dark brown. These are velvety as well. I don't want to get into it too much and like mess it up before I even get to choose it, so that's why I'm not pressing too hard. Ooh, ooh, that's a nice bright color. And then here goes the peachy type color. So they're all pretty decent colors. They're very nice, beautiful colors. I didn't know what to start with because I just don't buy makeup too often, so pretty nice colors. This one, the second one, showed up a bit. I think it's supposed to be like a nice neutral color, but yeah, really nice. So now we have the, what is this? Eyeshadow, a baked eyeshadow. So pretty cool. I'm just gonna take this and see what that might be like. That didn't show up, but I can see like it's just a really nice gold. You know what? I thought this was like a highlighter. You know, to highlight your face. I was wrong. So this, I think I have a few more things. I'm gonna show you other things. I'll just use that on the video. So this is the triangular buffing brush. So this is used, the way you use this, the directions say, buff foundation onto the face in small circles. Boom, boom, boom. Use the flat sides to sculpt the face for a contoured effect. So very, very nice. I like using brushes for my foundation. I thought about the sponge, but I, you know, went with the brush. I'll still get with the sponge one day, but yeah. So, last two things that I'll show. This is the mascara. Nice. Kind of shaped differently. It is supposed to enhance the eyes. And the last thing, this is the brow pencil. So, I should open this thing up way before this. But things happen sometimes. Hold on. So this was the hardest thing to open ever in life. So, this is the eyebrow pencil, Instant Lip. I got it in a brown. Brush on the end. So yeah, the mist was wonderful. It smells delicious. You should try it. My face doesn't burn. It just continued shining. So thank you for watching again. I appreciate you being here. You should like, you should share, you should subscribe if you want to. If not, that's cool. I totally appreciate you being here. Have a wonderful day. Bye.